And we often wonder about qualifications. Yeah, well, again, don't worry about that so much. One of your best qualifications is when your child comes home with a letter written by their current employer or a friend for whom they did some work, and it's a character reference. Well, that is your qualification, especially when you have a couple of work references or character references that glow in the dark. Man, I tell you, that is worth more than a high school diploma. Employers and university admission officers understand character references that glow in the dark. That's what you want to get, and you can organize those. Usually, you know, where do people get their first jobs? It's usually Uncle Ted down the road, or Cousin Jeremy, or you'll have some contact in your own network of contacts. Well, hey, work your contacts and line up a job for your young people, and then organize it so that when the employer is finished or the job has come to an end, that they write a character reference, a work reference of some description. That's really good. We've had children who've gone out and found their own jobs. There are different types of industries that take on young people for work experience. Children who are willing to work for free for a period of time, and it's a great work experience, and it gives the employer a bit of free labor for a period of time, with the understanding that there'll be a work reference to be written at the end of it. Marvelous. No problem there, and it's a win-win situation.